All right, so this is the exit to the cable car. So that's the way you come in, and this is the way you go out. So basically you have no choice but to walk through the shops. I think it's part of the upsell here to try and sell some of the merchandise that they have for you to walk through and to buy stuff. Sell, 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 which is a normal thing in Southeast Asia. In a way, it's cunning marketing. You have no other choice but to walk through areas. It's like at the airport before you catch your flight, and when you get off your flight you walk through shops like all the duty-free shops. Exactly the same thing. It's like a form of upselling and placement marketing. So they place things in a certain way, so you have no choice but to walk through them and try and persuade you to buy. Here we go, another shop just over here. Pineapple Island. I mean, some of the stuff's really cool, but obviously the prices are hiked up. So they got all sorts here, and you'll notice some of them don't even have prices. These ones have prices, so $3 each for one of these. That's capitalism marketing for you. So there you go. Looks like the last one is around 5:30 down there. Could even be earlier. I better find out first. I do want to get the last one if possible, closer to the sunset. So guys, we're just gonna hang out here and wait for the last cable car, which is about 5:30. So it's like half an hour away. Have an ice cream. And hopefully we can catch a good sunset. Sunset is scheduled for around 5:45, so the last one leaves here at about 5:30, and it's a 20-minute ride, so we should perfectly time the sunset, I hope. Anyway, it's been a really good day. Very warm here in Phu Quoc. I would say it's about 32 degrees right now. I'm glad I had a swim there too in the sea. Good for the body, man. I don't think I've been in the sea for like a year and a bit back in New Zealand when I went diving with my brother. I missed diving for kinners with my brother. We head up to all sorts of beaches, and with my my mates go to Raglan. We dive for kinner, sea urchin, power, crayfish, spearfishing. I miss those times with my family, man. I think this is kind of like the only place that you can do it here in Southeast Asia, in Vietnam actually, is in Phu Quoc. You can do the spearfishing, so I'm hoping that I can do some more excursions like this, and I'm hoping if they open the borders back up, then I'll be able to go back over to Thailand and go to some of the islands like Koh Lanta and a few of the other ones and do some diving excursions there. And apparently you can even get your diving certificate over there. So you can get your pro diving certificate and your master diving certificate, scuba diving that is, and it's quite cheap, very cheap. So I might think about doing that while I'm over this way for a while, but it all depends on them opening up the borders, which I reckon they'll open up the borders this year in Vietnam. I've got a good feeling that they will. Anyway guys, let's wait for that cable car. Alright guys, we are in the last cable car, about to head on up. Catching that sunset. See you later, water park and beach. Hon Thom Beach. at that sunset vibe, guys. Beautiful vibe to end off the day. We're not too far to the town, just over here. Probably about another 5 or 10 minutes. Alright guys, we are back at the mainland. Alright guys, we are back in the town of Hon Thom. I am now going to head back to Dung Dong town, the main town, jump on my motorbike and go grab something to eat for dinner. It's been an awesome day checking out Hon Thom Island, Pineapple Island. I highly recommend people to take the cable car over, ride the experience, check out the water park, and of course Hon Thom Beach, awesome beach. Highly recommend to take the kids, man. If you have kids, take the kids over, because they're gonna have a lot of fun, man. I tell you, and leave early. Go early in the morning if you can, because it gets quite busy after 10 o'clock. And if you're like me, catch the last cable car back and you'll get good sunset vibes like we did just there. Anyway guys, thank you guys for tuning into this vlog. That's me, I'm out of here. Time to go and load up on some dinner goodness. Catch you guys on the next video. Give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Experience the journey, inspire others. Live life guys. Peace.